Welcome to beauty channels. Today I'm gonna do polygel. Let's see how to be. This is the first step. Light kajal. Today I'm gonna do polygel for my nails. This is my second step. Application for nail tips. You already love it. You're just doing polygel. Don't forget it's polygel. It's application for nail tips. I hope you guys will enjoy this video for today. I just came in this new salon. I just came to this new salon. I wanna do my nails in Asma Beauty Secrets. Asma Beauty Secrets for my nails. Yeah, my polygel. I hope you guys will enjoy this video for today. It's a lot of fun. You'll laugh and everything. I really love it already. I'll have big nails. I'll enjoy my nails. I have to cut some of the tips. This is how they are. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's an amazing one. I like it. I love it. Thank you.
What shape you want?
I like ballerina. Okay guys, now it's time for buffing the nails to make them rough, so we can be able to apply polygel. I do like this, not using machine for buffing on top. For those who doesn't have machine like nail gun, it will be easy for you when you do your nails at home. This is how my nails look like. I love it. This is how they are. It's amazing. For pH bond only around the nail. This is how they look. I hope you guys will enjoy this video when you're watching it. Okay, now we start with base cuts. Base cuts. We apply for all surface of the nail until to the tips. After application for base cuts, now I will dry for 60 seconds inside the machine. Look how they are, already yummy. I dry for 60 seconds. I use this acrylic gel liquid, and this I'm using this one polygel. A little bit. Genix acrylic. Woo! This is my hand. We're gonna start it.
Don't show me.
I'm not show you. Don't worry. I know she's shy in video. This lady. She don't like anyone to see her face. Ooh, oh my god, that's my finger. Okay, for now it's just application for gel. For now, when you start making application, we don't make application for all finger. We make half of the nail. This first step application, I'm gonna dry in the machine. I'm gonna do is cover the end of it. Here are my nails.
I'm very going to copy this.
It's amazing. Mm. Yeah.
You want to eat with the spoon?
You know, like this one. Yeah. My college nails. I'm so excited how they will. I hope you guys will enjoy this video and you're watching. Yeah, it's amazing.
What machine inside?
I'll dry them for 1 minute. Now this is the step for filing all the next details. We're going to just file. See you soon when I'm done. Now I got to grab the nails to remove the excess. I have to smoothen them. And the next step will be nail color. But before that, she'll do filing for shape. I like shape. I want to do ballerina shape. My still is square, but I like ballerina shape. So after here, I'll do ballerina shape and then nail color applications. I hope guys enjoy this video. It's final cuts. I'll do ballerina shape. My fingers.
Not bad, this color.
No, it's not good. Application for top coat, someone else. Yeah, my fingers are fat. My fingers are fat. Yeah. So what? Here we go.
Machine.
I go for drying. Okay, that's okay. These final parts. They want to see your nails. Thank you, darling, for fixing my nails today. And today's my birthday today. Thank you for fixing my nails. I don't love it. Please, guys, just subscribe, like, and drop a comment down below. Don't forget about it. Oh my god, I love my nails. Moisturizing my cuticles because all the process, my cuticles became dry. It's time to moisturize. Thanks, darling. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, drop comment down below. This is my last part of the nail. Thanks for watching. Bye.